Today we're going to solve a system of two linear equations using Cramer's rule. Cramer's rule uses matrices and determinants to find the solution to a system of equations. The system of equations we're going to solve is 9x plus 9y equals 36 and 4x minus 5y equals negative 38. However, instead of using the variables in the process as we would using traditional methods, we're going to use just the numbers in the equations, the x's, the y's, and the constants. To get started, we're going to make three matrices and call them D, D sub x, and D sub y. To populate matrix D, we're going to use the coefficients of the x's and the y's in the order we see them. To populate matrix dx, we're going to use the y's, but instead of using the x's, we're going to use the constants in place of the x's. To populate matrix dy, we're going to use the x's and, yes, you guessed it, the constants in place of the y's. Now we can set up our determinants. We'll set them up now and do the calculations in a minute. To calculate the determinant of D, we multiply 9 and negative 5, 4 and 9, and then we subtract. To calculate the determinant of D sub x, we multiply 36 and negative 5, negative 38 and 9, and we subtract. And to calculate the determinant of D sub y, we multiply 9 and negative 38, and 4 and 36, and we subtract. Now let's do our calculations. 9 times negative 5. 9 times negative 5 is negative 45. 4 times 9 is 36, and when we subtract them, we get negative 81. 36 times negative 5 is negative 180. Negative 38 times 9 is negative 342, and when we subtract those, we get 162. 9 times negative 38 is negative 342. 4 times 36 is 144. And when we subtract those, we get negative 486. Let's use those determinants to find a solution. To find x, we divide d sub x by d. Substituting, 162 divided by negative 81 gives us negative 2. To find y, we divide d sub y by d. Substituting, negative 486 divided by negative 81 gives us 6. Our solution, negative 26. Our last step, as always, is to check the accuracy of our answer. I substituted my x and y into the two original equations. In the first equation, 9 times negative 2 and 9 times 6 give us negative 18 plus 54, which equals 36, and it checks. Negative 4 times negative 2 and negative 5 times 6 give us negative 8 minus 30, which gives us negative 38, and it also checks. I hope you found this method of solving a system of two linear equations simple and straightforward.